Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. If it is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William, and in today's episode, we're gonna be filming a 1952 Chevy Deluxe Convertible that belongs to a friend of mine, Steven. You guys are gonna love this video, so be sure to give it a like, and also if it is your first time passing by the channel, don't forget to subscribe.
How are you guys? My name's Steven, and this here is my 1952 Chevy Convertible. She is birch gray with a two-tone blue interior. I was asked why a 52 convertible, and there's a little story behind it. The last car that I ever built before my grandfather passed away was a 1951, and I had bought a 1951 convertible, and after months of tinkering with it, I was like, you know what? I'm putting all this money into a 51 convertible. I want to buy something that I can already go ahead and cruise. So I was looking online, and I found this 52 convertible, and I fell in love with the colors. The color combination was beautiful, and 51 and 52, it's kind of the same body style, just different trim. So I said I had to buy it. So I was actually on a trip with my fiance, and I was scrolling through eBay, and I see this car, and I'm like, wow, I had seen this car on Instagram. So I messaged the owner. He's out in Northern California, and we started conversation. Long story short, a week later, I was on a plane on my way to Northern California. I went and I saw the car, and it's exactly what he told me it was. He told me, Steven, you're gonna get blown away. The car has all the accessories, the body's super straight. It was painted many moons ago. You're gonna love the car. So I flew out there with my fiance. Due to COVID, you could only be in California for 24 hours. So I actually got a midnight flight. I got to California, 2 o'clock in the morning, drove, and at 7 o'clock in the morning, I was there seeing the car. As soon as he opened up the warehouse, I'm like, I have to have it. And the rest is history. I flew back home, paid it, and brought it down here. And then I've done my little touches to it, which we'll show you now. She has the Mohawks. These here they don't go all the way down. These are a 52 only Mohawk. She has the reverse lights. She has the bumper guard. I was able to find a 1952 original license plate from Miami. She has the bumper guards, front and rear. This is a locking gas cap door. I'll show you how this works here.
Steven, in all of these are really expensive accessories that you got on.
For the most part, most of these parts are NOS. So they've been in their original boxes from the 50s. So check out how this thing works. It actually locks your gas cap door.
Oh, no way. That's a really cool accessory, man. I've never seen it before.
She does have a butterfly steering wheel.
That's a really expensive steering wheel, for those of you guys that don't know.
This is an original USA flashlight from the 50s.
What was that used for back in the 50s?
Well, you kind of leave it there just in case you ever break down or anything. You have your little flashlight on your steering column to be able to see at night. Apart from the accessories, I've also gone ahead and put the polyester Firestone white wall tires. I did do a 12-volt conversion. I'll show you here. I did a 12-volt conversion. I put a Power Master. I wanted it to look as original as possible, so I put a Power Master.
What is a Power Master?
It looks like a generator,
okay,
but it works like an alternator. She does have an HEI distributor, so no more points, no more condenser. That has a module.
With brand new spark plug
brand
cables.
New spark plug, brand new cables, of course. And I wanted everything to look as period correct as possible.
Are you planning on lowering it?
No, that's a great question. I actually have everything to lower it. I was gonna lower the front 3 inches, lower the back 4 inches, but I'm really indecisive at the moment. As much as I wanna lower it, she rides so nice that it's a question. I don't know what to do at the moment.
It does ride really nice. And I think lowering this car with how nice it is, how original it looks, and how good it rides will be a sacrilegio, how we say in Spanish.
A sacrifice.
Hell no, exactly. It's a beautiful car, guys, as you can see. You also went ahead and did some things on the interior.
Yes, so I did, the only thing not original to it, I did, if you see back here, Pedro here in Miami did me custom rear panels and custom front panels to be able to hide some speakers, because in Miami with a top down you need music. So I hid an amplifier behind the rear seat, and then I hid actually 6 speakers. There's 2 in the rear, 2 in the front, and 2 behind the dash. And you control it all with Bluetooth. And then Riviero went ahead and redid all the door panels for me. They actually came out beautiful, you can see there.
It is a beautiful car with a beautiful interior. Something that a lot of people ask me about these cars, being that they're, what, 70 years old, do the top works on this car?
Oh yeah, everything works. I actually, she has a brand new motor, brand new cylinder, and brand new hoses. She works perfectly. We'll show you now. She has a blue top.
So this is what? This is just a cover
This
that you
is just
have?
a cover, yeah, for the convertible top.
This is a beautiful car, man. Oh wow, so it's actually
Hydraulic.
electric.
It has an electric motor, but it's hydraulic, yes.
The top is brand new as well.
Yes.
Very nice, man. Steven, back in 1949 to 1954, they had several different types or models of these cars. This being the top of the line, we can say.
Yeah, because it's a convertible, and then they had different roof lines. So they had a roof line with a smaller back window and a roof line with a bigger back window, and also a fleet line, which is kind of like the hatchback.
Exactly. Which nowadays, it has become a very popular car.
Yes.
That everybody wants to have. It has gained a lot of value too. And this year, they came with 216 automatic, or?
No, they came with 216 with a 3-speed, or Power Glide with the bigger motor, which is a 235.
Which is the one that you have?
Yes.
And a Power Glide.
Correct.
Which allows you to cruise at what speed?
She cruises 55, 60, and her top speed's like 70.
Very nice.
Actually, all the glass is all the original glass. I actually have the original windshields at the house. It was full of little rock chips, so I changed the windshield out and I put a new rubber. But all the glass around the entire car is actually all the original glass.
How about the chrome and all of that?
All the chrome I did send to get polished and to get all the little dings and dents removed.
I remember you told me that.
The bumpers are the original ones. They were re-chromed, but all the trim, I hate little dings and dents, so I removed them and I sent them out to get polished.
Very nice. Very nice. Wow, she even has a spare tire.
Yeah, she's all original back there. I ordered the mats for the inside, but everything is really, you know, as original as they get.
Steven, and this was the original paint?
No, this car's been repainted, but this is the original color.
Original
it's called
color.
Yeah, it's called birch gray, and she came factory with a blue top with a double blue interior.
All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. 1952 Chevy Deluxe Convertible, beautiful car, one of a kind type of car that I like. Steven, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to film your car. It's a beautiful piece of road art. Hope it lasts forever and hope you continue to enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel.